What if I told you the most powerful life lesson isn't hidden in a classroom or inside a billion-dollar company, but inside your kitchen? Sounds impossible? Then answer this. Why can two people use the exact same ingredients, the exact same recipe, and the exact same oven, yet one creates magic, while the other creates a disaster? The difference isn't the recipe. It's something much deeper. And once you understand it, you'll never look at cooking the same way again. Every great meal begins with ingredients that seem ordinary: flour, salt, eggs, butter, sugar. By themselves, they're nothing special, but together, with patience, timing, and care, they become something unforgettable. Isn't life exactly the same? No one is born extraordinary. We are all given different ingredients: our talents, our failures, our dreams, and our fears. The question is never what you have. The real question is, what are you creating with what you've been given? Here's something fascinating. When you bake bread, the dough has to rise, but before it rises, it must rest. Imagine that. Doing nothing is actually part of the process. Most people quit because they think nothing is happening, but underneath the surface, invisible changes are taking place. Growth is often silent. Just because you can't see progress doesn't mean progress isn't happening. Now think about a cake. Open the oven too early and the cake collapses. Leave it inside too long and it burns. Success, just like baking, is all about timing. Not everything is meant to happen the moment you want it. Sometimes life is simply asking you to wait a little longer. Now here's another secret. A chef doesn't panic when a recipe fails. They adjust, they taste, they learn, then they cook again. Failure isn't the end of the meal. It's just another ingredient. And maybe that's the biggest lesson of all. Life isn't about creating a perfect recipe. It's about learning how to fix imperfect ones. Think about your favorite dish, your grandmother's bread, your mother's soup, a birthday cake, a family dinner. Notice something? We rarely remember food because it looked perfect. We remember it because of the people we shared it with. The greatest ingredient has never been butter, or chocolate, or expensive spices. It's love. Love turns an ordinary meal into a lifelong memory. And that's why cooking has survived every generation. It isn't just about feeding the body, it's about feeding the heart. So the next time you step into a kitchen, don't just see ingredients, see possibilities. Don't just follow a recipe. Create a story, because every loaf of bread begins as flour. Every masterpiece begins as a simple idea. And every unforgettable life begins with ordinary moments mixed together with patience, courage, and love. Remember this, anyone can follow a recipe, but only those who cook with passion create memories that people never forget. So don't just bake food, bake happiness. Don't just cook meals, cook moments. Because long after the last bite is gone, the memory of how you made people feel will always remain.